you, she said you weren't real clear about the gig. She had no idea she was gonna get cut, burned, and beaten.
Come on. It's a job. All the guards know it.
What about her? Did she sign up for a gangbang and beatdown?
Yeah, I guess that cage shit over here, that was part of her contract too, huh?
Get her out of there.
You can't just walk in here and tell us what to do.
Yeah? I'm trying to handle this in a calm, professional manner. But unless you want to go on around mattress, while full white boys go jihad on your ass, I suggest you pay these girls and let them go. Now.
Yeah, pay the girls.
Tiger's out of the house with you. I'm sure this down.
What if we should be on alone? Go, now.
You, scumbag. Lie down.
It's okay.
You're the one getaway, Jack.
Put him in the cage.
You piece of shit.
Is that fish?
You better go.
Wow.
Jack, what you got?
Trying to get astroglide. Any loot?
This time.